Thank you for participating in the Striped Bass Bonus Program. This video will quickly review the reporting guidelines of the program for individual anglers. The program will open May 15th and close on December 31st. Participants will be eligible for multiple permits throughout the year as long as permits and quota are still available. There are two requirements of the bonus program in order to ensure eligibility for the next year. The first requirement is that all participants must complete a fishing log reporting all targeted striped bass trips. Please complete the log during or shortly after each trip to ensure recorded lengths are accurate. It is imperative that the data is recorded accurately and not estimated or recorded from memory. This data is crucial to help accurately describe the striped bass fishery in New Jersey for stock assessments, and it also provides New Jersey flexibility when developing regulations. The most important things to remember when filling out your log are 1. Please fill out the log with your catch only, not the catch for the entire boat. 2. Measure all striped bass caught and record the individual lengths of all striped bass kept and released. Do not record size ranges. 3. Record all targeted striped bass fishing trips even if no fish were caught. When completing the log, please include the following information: your name, address, fishing year, and initial permit number. Check this box if you did not fish at all for the year. A log must still be submitted even if you did not fish this year. The following information must be included for each fishing trip: date, area fished, number of hours fished, lengths of striped bass kept, no size ranges. If you use a bonus permit, please record the permit number in the last column of this row. Lengths of all striped bass released, no size ranges. Type of fishery, specify whether you are fishing from the surf, private boat, or a party and charter boat. Only if fishing from a party and charter boat, please specify the boat name. Once you are finished fishing for the year, please return the log to the Nokoti Creek Research Station to remain eligible for next year. The second requirement of the bonus program is to report the harvest of a bonus fish within 24 hours of capture, either online or by calling 609-748-2074. Remember to securely attach the bonus permit through the mouth and gills of the fish immediately upon capture. Participants will be eligible for multiple permits throughout the year as long as permits are available and the bonus fish are reported. Thank you for taking the time to view this video. If you have any questions, please feel free to contact the division at sbbp@dep.nj.gov.